Hey, what's going on? It's Josh here from the DeFi guys, and I've got probably the most important project that I'll be showing you this year. Seriously, I'm not just saying that. That's not just hype. I've done a few videos on this, but we're ready to take this to the next level. A lot of cool things happening for emp.money and the detonator. There's a lot of YouTubers out there promoting this because of the team. Guys, we talk about team and community. Of course, the utility of the project makes a massive difference, but the team, AJ I just want to give a shout out to AJ because this guy is the backbone of this project. It's the reason why he's the reason why this project is so successful. He's doing AMAs every single day, or the team's doing AMAs pretty much every single day, throwing videos up on the YouTube channel, educating people on how this works, putting blood, sweat, and tears into this. And so wanted to give a quick shout out to him. He really is the reason that, EMP has been so successful during this bear market, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to talk more about the detonator today. We're not going to cover farming, staking, boardroom. I actually created a video a little while ago talking about that. Let me see if I can refresh here and pull up some numbers. Make sure that the wallet's connected and everything, as you can see here. But before I dive in here and show you guys exactly how I'm generating over $500 per day in a bear market right now using emp.money and specifically the detonator, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. This is the project I'm the most confident in. I'm going to say that again. This is the project that I am most confident in. It's my #1 project out there out of all the videos that I've created because they continue to kind of prove me wrong. I'll be brutally honest. I got into EMP and then I jumped out, and then I got in again and I jumped out because I didn't know that, what the promises they were making, not necessarily they were promises, but if they were actually going to do what they said they were going to do. And guess what? They've done everything up to this point they said they were going to do. And the support inside of the Discord and the Telegram is just unmatched. It's incredible. The synergy in there, the camaraderie, it's incredible. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let's talk about the detonator. I did win the lottery, which is insane. I won the lottery yesterday, and we'll talk about the lottery. Essentially, I got $33,000 deposited straight into my contract. When I first started this, guys, a few months back, I deposited $50,000. I just won the lottery, the random lottery, which essentially what they do is all the people that are compounding on a daily basis. There's approximately right around 2,857 people. One is randomly selected to win the lottery prize. And then one is, of course, selected to win the top deposit prize. The top deposit prize is the individual that deposits the most LP tokens on any given day. So before I get out of turn here, let me start from the top and work my way to the bottom. So essentially what you do is you deposit an LP token, which is EMP ETH. EMP is the native token of this project here. And what this does is it helps stabilize the price of EMP so people that are in other parts of the protocol benefit, such as the farm and the boardroom. And depending on how much you obviously make will be determined by how often you compound versus claim. So whatever you deposit, you cannot withdraw that initial principal, but you're going to get back 365%, similar to, kind of how drip works. So essentially all you need to do, and you can see the numbers right here, the pool balance is 3.6 million. This continues to go up. In terms of LP tokens, of course, it can go down because it's all dependent upon the price of EMP ETH. But it continues to go up because of these incentives. If you look at the end of each and every day, there are huge deposits because people want to win that deposit bonus. So you could be that person that deposits 5,000 and you get 36,000 right here. So it looks like this individual deposited 60.36 LP yesterday, which is only $3,625, and they got $36,397 deposited into their deposits over here. So it's crazy the amount of money that can be made from this. And, this covers itself, because if you have, say you have like, 30 people that deposit $2,000, $2,500, and they're trying to get the top deposit, and you got the one person that deposits, this number here, they get that deposit, but the protocol overall is still getting more liquidity and profiting, which is awesome. So then all you need to do once you deposit, the way to deposit is you can just click on Zap in here. This is the easiest way to do it. And all you need is BNB, BUSD, ETH, eShare, or even EMP. So, BUSD stablecoin is going to be the easiest. If you've got BUSD, great. You're going to select the amount that you want to go ahead and deposit. You're going to click on Approve. And then you're just going to complete the on-screen instructions. This will refresh, and you will see your rewards start to pop up. You're going to see your deposits, how much you've claimed. Just remember that when you do compound, that will be included in the claimed category right here. Then you got your max payout, you got your daily burst. So since we are actually in a bear market right now, I'm just going to keep compounding until we get bullish again. Okay, and this number is going to greatly change. So if we click on my winnings here, you can see that lottery rewards, I've earned $33,000 from yesterday on top of the $50,000 deposit, and you're getting 1% of that. And then I compound on top of that, and the price of EMP and ETH goes up. Man, it's going to be insane the amount of money that can be made from this. I could easily be doing potentially $5,000 to $10,000 per day. Now, that's no guarantee of income, you guys. I'm not telling you to invest or get involved into this protocol. I'm just sharing you guys, with you guys my journey and exactly what I'm doing to have success. So make sure you do your own research. Make sure you always, if you decide to jump into something like this, you invest what you're willing to lose. Crypto is high risk, high reward. That's why people love it. Understand how the game's played. Don't get in and blame somebody else like myself or the team. Make sure you take responsibility, because I am not a financial advisor, and I want to make that apparent, okay? What you want to do, though, is you want to go down here and click the Read More. And that's going to take you over to the white paper. And this talks about the taxes. For every deposit, 10% will be split in the following ways. 3% of LP tokens will go to your referrer. And if you don't have a referrer, this percentage will go to the treasury. By the way, there's a link below to get access to the detonator if you want to go ahead and check it out. That link will be in the description below. 1% of the LP tokens will go to the treasury, and 6% of the LP tokens will go to existing depositors as instant rewards. And then make sure you read about the payouts, prizes, maximum earnings, which we talked about, timeframes, referral rewards. Go through this so you understand it in its entirety, okay? I'm doing my best in this video to go through as much as possible. But I'm going to continue to compound. Now, when you claim, there used to be taxes on claiming. There's no taxes on claiming anymore. So if you choose to claim, you can do that. But EMP can easily double, triple over the course of the next year or more based off of where it's been at previously. So you can check out the chart right here. If you want to go ahead and take a look at it, you can see towards the end of April, it was up to 93 cents. Right now, right at 47 cents. Why are we at 47%? Because 47 cents? Because it's pegged to Ethereum, you guys. So as Ethereum goes down, EMP goes down. As Ethereum goes up, EMP will also go up. So that's why it's considered a super stable protocol. Now, of course, Bitcoin's the most stable, not as volatile as Ethereum, but Ethereum's still pretty much the second most stable cryptocurrency out there. So I love the volatility of ETH because, yes, there's bigger downswings, but there's also bigger upswings as well. If you time it perfectly, you can make some really good money. And I'm heavily invested into ETH. I have a huge bag of ETH, And I also do daily updates on my Ethereum news channel, which I'll also post in the description below. If you want to go ahead and check that out, subscribe. You can get daily ETH updates on what's going on in the world of Ethereum. So check that out. Also, if you want to check out my mastermind video that I recently released that actually leads people to my mastermind if they want to sign up, it shows you how I went from zero to generating over $1 million in 4 months yield farming. And that video goes in depth on different leverage strategies that I use along with yield farming to profit. So those links will be in the description below. Let me know in the comments, you guys, your prediction on EMP over the course of the next year or so. You can see the liquidity if we go back, total value locked. I think last time I checked it was right around, $45 million. Of course, this fluctuates once again, depending on the price. But when I first got into this thing, at the very beginning, it was like 3 million. Now it's up to 45 million. They got more and more deals. I believe they're doing a deal with Richard Hart and PulseX. There's a lot of different cool things going on with EMP, a lot of bullish news out there. And I am super, super excited. And yeah, guys, share the love in the comments. Those of you guys that are seeing this video, you're in EMP, the detonator, talk about your experiences below. Would love to hear. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Again, like, subscribe, because I'm uploading 1 to 2 videos daily on new projects that are being released. You know, time is of the essence getting into these things. You want to make sure you get into early, so you want to be notified early. So to be notified of every video that I release, not just some of them, you've got to click that subscribe button. You also have to tick the bell icon, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out the resource section below as well as the detonator. Take care and have a great day.